Hey guys, Vivo launched Vivo S18 series in China. Vivo launched three smartphones, Vivo S18e, Vivo S18 and Vivo S18 Pro. So let's now talk about the Vivo S18e, all the specification and the pricing. And I am also making a dedicated video about Vivo S18 and Vivo S18 Pro. Check it out. Vivo S18e comes with 6.67-inch Full HD Plus OLED display with 120Hz refresh rate and the phone peak brightness is 1800 nits and the phone powered by MediaTek Dimensity 7200 with 12 GB of LPDDR4X RAM with 512 GB UFS 4.2 storage, and out of the box the phone running Android 14 with Orion's OS 4.0. And the camera department, the phone comes with dual camera setup in the back, 50 megapixel Sony Lite 600 main camera and 2 megapixel rear camera, and the phone is come with single 16 megapixel selfie camera, and the phone powered by 4800 mAh battery with 80 watt fast charging, and the phone also come with IP54 rating, Bluetooth 5.3 and Wi-Fi 6, and the phone come with beautiful three colors, and the smartphone starting price is 2099 RMB for 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB storage. So that's all about our video, and if you found this video informative, make sure to hit the like button and also subscribe my channel for more content like this as always. Thanks for watching and I will be catch you the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.